G'day everybody. Well, just a bit of a mid-morning Sunday ramble on about stuff. School's definitely taken up a majority of the time at the moment, so unfortunately I'm not really going to be able to do much out here. And the stuff that I do out here will probably be very basic, or it'll be pre-recorded videos that I'll be uploading, so that'll at least keep you guys entertained and it'll keep me out of trouble, because let's just say yesterday I was spending all day doing homework. Just I figured the easiest way to get good marks at school is just stay on top of everything. Don't drag behind like a lot of people do, because it will make it a hell of a lot harder on yourself. So yeah, it is kind of hard at the moment, but at least I've been able to get some good things, including this Orion mid-90s colour television. I like these old 90s sets. It's just something about them that is really appealing. But good thing is it's got its cord on, so it must still work. Yeah, the cord Nazi hasn't been to it at all. 80 watts power. Yeah, it's funny, there's no warning saying don't take the cover off. It just says turn the power off when you take it off. So it's funny, a lot of other sets actually discourage people from doing that. But anyway, I know what I'm doing, and so does a lot of other people who like messing with these. But yeah, it's got a nice carry handle and everything on it. So we'll clean that up and do a nice test on it. Might even just take the cover off and just see how much dust is in it. But yeah, got more motors to blow up, essentially. As in, I'll keep a few of these, like that induction motor there, that still works. That brush motor's alright. I've used that on a few things, but it's the trouble when you start collecting things, you just end up with more of what you can't really use, unfortunately. It's like shader pole motors. They all still work fine, but trouble is I've got so many of them, not enough fans or mounts to really be able to use them for anything. So I think I might be putting a few of those to death with the microwave transformers. Well, come to think of it, I did actually use a shader pole motor and microwave fan in that. I ended up just taking the squirrel cage blower off the end of it, since it wasn't really pulling enough air through. But yeah, there is a microwave fan inside that contraption there. It's it does the job alright. I know it's very crude with all the bloody cable ties and things, but that's it only needs to be. It's not full, but yeah, that's part of the exhaust off the old water heater. I just modified it a bit, since the port for that is the same size as this hose, so I was able to just stuff that straight in the end. But anyway, yeah, there's probably going to be more videos of blowing those up. And yeah, I've been to Bunnings again, buying more rubbish. Got flex hose for the generator. I'm actually going to be relocating the air filter on it using some of this stuff. It's built very similar to that actually as well. It's got a steel helix, reinforced PVC. It's good stuff. But yeah, basically what I want to do is try and put the air filter up here or something, so it means I can get to the carby without having to take that off all the time, because it's a real pain in the ass getting this off. But I might end up just sticking a paper element filter on for the time being, since these things are horrid. I can see why they sort of stop using them after a while, because they leak oil everywhere. But anyway, I've got more troubleshooting to do on that, because the bastard won't run again, unfortunately. But anyway, yeah, that's for the crankcase breather. The hose on that's perished, so I'll just replace it with a bit of that. And yeah, that can be for the air filter. Got a nylon hammer for banging in electric motors and things, and the usual bit of random destruction. But they wanted $50 for a genuine nylon hammer, so I got the closest thing to it for about $14. So anyway, that should do my uses. And I got myself a new propane torch, which is going to be kind of fun. It's also got a fantail burner and everything on it, so that'll be a good use, especially for melting down lead and stuff. I've got a whole can here that's been collecting old lead sinkers and wheel weights and things that we can probably melt down sometime with this. So it's going to be good fun. But anyway, yeah, that's the television I'm getting rid of. It's just a generic Conquer branded Chinese heap of junk. I could never really get it to work properly, but yeah, I'm just going to neck the tube, take the gun assembly and the yoke off just to let them know that it's been necked, and keep the flyback, of course. I'm collecting flybacks since they're getting harder and harder to get. But anyway, it's pretty much what's been going on at the moment. As I trip over again on that, yeah, we'll test this, see if it works or not.